Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering the minimum essentials and taking immediate action. List the names, hashtags, and phrases around Yash Pratap Singh on platforms you use most. Create a single spreadsheet and add 20-50 seed terms with quick intent notes. While you work, open a browser tab for each platform to run searches. This gets you real examples fast. Once done, mark the highest priority seeds so you can focus analysis and not chase noise. You now deepen your list and look for patterns. Take each seed and use autocomplete, related searches, and suggested videos to generate roughly 10 related queries. Then measure engagement metrics, views, likes, comments, and share rate to prioritize topics that actually move audiences. Make clusters by intent so you know whether to produce tutorials, commentary, or community posts. If you scale, use simple scripts or tools to pull top 50 results per seed and update your sheet automatically for ongoing discovery. You finish by selecting 5-10 topics that best match intent and engagement and write short outlines for each. Publish a single pilot post per topic and track CTR, watch time, and comment sentiment to validate choices. Make sure to /B test titles and thumbnails. Small tweaks change performance. If traction is low, troubleshoot by tightening intent, changing hooks, or altering post timing. Do one change at a time so you know what works and can repeat success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.